Hi, I'm Jeff Kaufman with Silver Sport Transmissions, and today I'm out doing a shakedown run in Eric Gregg's 1978 TransAM. This car is powered by a Butler Performance 467-inch engine. We just did a 6-speed TREMEC Magnum conversion, and so I'm out testing it out and making sure everything's working like it should be. So what I'm looking for basically is just clutch engagement, make sure there's no chatter, clutch feel, pedal feel. Make sure all the shifting, make sure there's smooth shifting, no gear clash, no high effort, things like that. So follow along, we'll go for a ride. I'm not going to do any kind of outdoor filming. It's pretty windy today, so but let's ride along and see what we got. Okay, let's hit the highway. Gear. This is a 323 axle, 165, turning about 2250 RPMs. Let's drop into 6th. So now we're doing 65 at about 1750. Butler engine is nice and smooth. Great. You're going to love it. So how about a walk around? Car's beautiful. And let's see what's under the hood. Alright, check it out. Butler Performance 467. Have a look inside. One frequent question we get is, will my shifter still be in the console? Can I still use my console with a 6-speed? There you have it. So what Silver Sport Transmissions specializes in, not only are we an elite TREMEC distributor, we specialize in kit development for specific applications, or, you know, muscle cars, street rods, hot rods, whatever. You know, we got you covered. This one has our 8-inch billet handle. 6-speed shifter ball in black. And underneath there is our STX performance shifter. It's street track autocross. And what does that do to the shifting? Here's the throw. So there's first to second, pops to neutral, right up to third, pull back for fourth, fifth, sixth. It's a nice short throw, positive feel. So there you have it. Eric, the TransAM is awesome. It's beautiful, runs great, and you're going to love the new overdrive. So to wrap it up, if you have any questions, call me. My name's Jeff, 865-609-8187. You can ask for me direct, Jeff Kaufman. You can email me. The email address is very easy. It's info, I-N-F-O, @shiftsst.com. And I'll be happy to help.